I'm just trying to understand why your eyebrows ain't on fleek. I'm just trying to understand why your eyebrows ain't on fleek. I'm just trying to understand why your eyebrows ain't on fleek. Why your eyebrows ain't on fleek, sis? I've put in work on repeat. No, these bitches can't be me. I'm just
my lighting. My light is really bad. Well, it's not really bad, but you know, my ring light broke, and yeah, just don't even ask about that. But pink. Okay, so do you know what? You see what is going on here? Glitter on the eyes, pink lips, as always, pink top, pink everything. So yeah, if you want to see this pink look and you are a pink girl, stay tuned and make sure you watch the rest of this video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Mwah, 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 mwah. Kisses all the way. So the first thing I'm doing is taking my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm taking that pink shade. Everything will be listed down below in the description box. And I'm just, you know, using this as my transition shade. You know, we gotta blend that eyeshadow, sis. And yeah, literally this was a quick look. I was literally in a rush. So yeah, taking that brown shade, and I'm just putting out an outer V section, or corner, shall I say. At this point, I really didn't know what I was doing with the look. I was just winging it, as I always do, because I'm good at Dami Glow. We wing things around here. Sorry, let me clear my throat. Yeah, so I'm just blending. Literally, now I'm going for that like metallic, shimmery, you know, pinkish, silverish shade. I'm just popping out on the lids. I figured out the best way for the colours to be pigmented or like to show up properly was by applying it with my fingers. So I just applied it with my fingers. I'm going back into the outer V shade as well, and I'm applying that to my outer V corner. And I'm looking at the camera. Okay, now I'm blending everything out so it's all nice and seamless. Eyeliner got to be on fleek, you know. We got to have the eyeliner on fleek, sis. On fleek, sis. You know, it's about to cut a bitch. Look at it. Oof, love it. Yes, Sugar Rush palette. I'm using those 3 shades, and I thought glitter always spices up the look. Glitter is the one you need to, you know, go to when you need to just jazz the look up, because I thought it was looking a bit boring. So I thought, you know what, glitter is so needed like now. Like, we need glitter right now. So I applied glitter like right now. As you can see, I'm applying it on both eyes, and I'm just making sure that, you know, it's distributed evenly, and I'm looking pretty. So my eyes right now are looking real sparkly. I feel like a little fairy. But yes. Now we got, you know, check it a little bit, see what's going on. All right, cool. Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in my eyebrow arch, my brow bone. I hope you're not hearing background noise, because I'm really gonna be annoyed if I have to redo this again. So now we just got to blend everything together, and I'm using the, what's it called, my primer from Maybelline to prime my face, as you guys can see. Could you really not do that? You shh. NARS foundation, all weightless, I can't even talk. All weightless, luminous. Do you know what? I'm going to write it down in the description bar below, because I really don't even remember what this foundation is called. I know it's in the shade Tahoe. That's my shade. And we're just blending. Like, can you really stop? Like, you can see what I'm trying to do something here. Guys, I'm really not redoing this voiceover. I don't have time. Could you just, why are you here? Ugh, why can't you just do it in your room? All right, so I need, now I'm using, yeah, sorry about that, guys. So obviously I'm using my concealer from Makeup Revolution in the shade C7, and NARS creamy concealer in the shade Ginger, and I'm using this to highlight my face. You lots know I love my face looking really bright. My highlight anyway is looking really bright and, you know, at least noticeable. So that's what I'm doing. I'm blending it in seamlessly. You got to blend, tap that sponge onto your face, but do it nicely, you know. Sometimes I do it vigorously as well sometimes, so let me not even talk, but just tap it nicely, you know, just go with the flow. Just go with the flow, sis. And now my forehead is getting blended out. Oh, I'm looking at something. Oh, okay, cool. I'm blending my chin. You know, the way I'm talking right now, I'm even getting annoyed at myself. What's going on? I can't even pronounce my words properly. And I'm still not pronouncing my words. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Oh my gosh, no. Hold on, no. Anyways, we're setting this the concealer with Sacha Buttercup powder. You lots know the drill with that. Setting everywhere we highlighted just to keep it in place and to make sure that, you know, we're not sweating our makeup off and it doesn't come off easily and it lasts very long. I'm contouring. This is when I thought my life was over. Oh my gosh, look at my face. I'm thinking, what the hell's going on? I thought this contour was not popping. It was like muddy and it was like hard to blend in. The big brushes out here, blending everything in, saving my face right now because what was going on before, we don't know. So yeah, I'm just using that brush to blend in that contour that looks very harsh and like unblended. And yeah, LA Girl Pro Face powder in the shade True Bronze, and I'm using that to just blend everything out. Milani powder in the shade Warm Caramel, and I'm also blending everything out too. Guys, honestly, this voiceover is a joke. Ban this voiceover. Just look at what I'm doing, you know, yeah, look at what I'm doing and see what I'm doing, because voiceovers for me are always just so hard. I don't know why. Like, having to explain what you're doing is a bit hard. But yeah, BH Cosmetics contour palette, you know, and I'm just taking that shade and I'm just further deepening up my contour, because, you know, I really want my face to look structured. I want my cheekbones to be snatched, and I just want to be slaying as we do around here, because, you know, like, around here we're all about the glow and we're all about the slay. So cutting those, you know, cheekbones, now I'm contouring my nose. Yep, I'm contouring my nose, and I'm gonna, you know, just contour my nose, as you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, now I'm dusting away the highlight powder, or the setting powder shall I say, and I'm just, you know, dusting all that excess powder off my face, applying some blush from Avon. I think I used my Avon blush. It's like a burgundy sort of reddish brownish sort of shade. It's a really nice blush. Just applying blush. Normally I'd apply my highlight and apply blush after, but I thought, you know, let's switch up the order today. Now I'm going in with my Ofra Cosmetics, obviously cool. It's in the Artist Couture Dami Glow powder, you know, thingamajig, but it's Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive highlighter. Now I'm going in with my Dami Glow powder in the shade Conceited. Yeah. And I'm just, you know, blinding these head. Get the Dami Glow! Get the Dami Glow! Oh my gosh, sis! That glow, you know, when glow touches my face, I don't think anyone understands. Like, when glow touches my face, I'm a different girl. Like, I just feel like I'm unstoppable. I feel like nothing's stopping me, and I'm just like the best in the world, literally. Bitch, I'm the best. Way too blessed. All right, back to the makeup now. Carrot lipstick. Yeah, some matte lipstick, and I put on some Ruby Kisses one. I don't know the shade. Now I'm putting on some gloss because I want to be glossy. But you lots know all the products and everything is going to be listed in the description bar below. This voice note is just it's a joke thing right now, but honestly I'm not doing another one, so you lots gonna take it how it is. Just make sure you're watching what I'm doing and you're just following these steps, and you will slay. Now we're just gonna, you know, put some eyeshadow on our lower lash line just to jazz up the look a bit. Oh, sorry, pardon me. I thought I had a little hiccup over there. To make it look really cute, and yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing, man. You know, like that. Yeah. Yep. Now I'm going in with some eye kohl. I got it from Nigeria, so I don't even know. I can't remember where I bought it. Just to, you know, make my eyes. It makes my eyes just look more like, I don't know, just like more, it just makes my eyes look just so cute. I just love always having to put like black eye pencil on my lower lash line. It's just like the cutest look ever. Mascara from NYX, I think it's Doll Face mascara or something. Sugar Rush, more glitter, because I want to glow and I love to shine, and because glitter is amazing and glitter is beautiful. I always put some on my cheeks, guys. You lots need to start putting some glitter on your cheeks. Just take the excess one from like your fingers and just pop up your cheekbones. Honestly, guys, it looks amazing in the light.